Do you like AI? Well, there's one that's very popular called Chat GPT. All right. Well, I made a question to it, and the question is this. Watch. Is it true that the Constitution protects the privacy in their homes from searches from ICE, even if the home in question is of an undocumented person? And the answer that came through was this.
Yes, the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects everyone in the United States, regardless of immigration status, from unreasonable searches and seizures. This means that Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, generally cannot enter a home without a warrant signed by a judge or the consent of someone inside. If ICE officers show up at a home, the resident has the right to ask to see a warrant. If ICE has an administrative warrant issued by DHS, Form I-200 or I-205, it does not allow them to enter without consent. Only a judicial warrant, signed by a court, grants them that power. Refuse entry without a warrant. If ICE does not have a judicial warrant, residents can refuse to let them in. Remain silent. Individuals have the right not to answer questions about their immigration status. Would you like more details on what to do if ICE comes to a home? If ICE comes to a home, the residents, regardless of their immigration status, have rights. Here's what to do. 1. Stay calm and don't open the door. ICE cannot enter without a judicial warrant signed by a judge. They may have an administrative warrant, Form I-200 or I-205, which does not give them authority to enter. If they say they have a warrant, ask them to slip it under the door or hold it up to a window. 2. Check the warrant. A valid judicial warrant should have a judge's name, signature, and specify the person or areas ICE is allowed to search. If it's an administrative warrant, residents are not required to open the door. 3. Do not give consent. If ICE does not have a judicial warrant, do not give permission for them to enter. Simply say, "I do not consent to your entry." 4. Remain silent. No one has to answer ICE's questions. Say, "I am exercising my right to remain silent." Do not sign anything without speaking to an attorney. 5. Document everything. Take note of badge numbers, names, and what is said. If possible, record the encounter. 6. Contact a lawyer. Seek legal help immediately. Organizations like the ACLU or local immigration advocacy groups may provide assistance. Would you like any additional details or resources?